Hello, everyone. Welcome back to All About English.
Hi, everyone. We're happy to have you with us today.
In today's episode, we're going to learn something very important for every English learner: how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself. Say your name, talk about where you're from, talk about what you do, and share some simple information about yourself.
And don't worry if you're a beginner. We're going to use simple English and explain everything step by step.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to All About English, and share this episode with someone who is learning English.
And while you're listening, try to repeat some of the sentences with us.
Ready?
Let's get started. James, let's imagine that we are meeting for the first time.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Emma. What's your name?
My name is James.
Perfect. That's one of the easiest ways to introduce yourself. My name is.
You can also say, I'm James.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hello, I'm James.
Both are correct and very common.
Emma, which one do you use more often?
In a normal conversation, I usually say, Hi, I'm Emma.
Yes, that sounds very natural.
You can also ask another person, What's your name?
Hi, what's your name?
And the person can answer, I'm Emma.
Now it's your turn.
Say, Hi, I'm.
Now, say your name.
Great.
Now try. Hello, my name is.
Add your name.
Excellent.
When you meet someone for the first time, you can also say, Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm James. Nice to meet you.
And the other person can say, Nice to meet you too.
This is a very useful expression, so try to remember it.
Now, let's imagine we're meeting for the first time.
Hello, I'm James. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Simple, right?
Very simple.
Now, let's add some more information about ourselves. James, where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Good. You can say, I'm from, when you want to tell someone your country or city.
I'm from the United States.
I'm from Morocco.
I'm from New York.
You can also ask another person, Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
What city are you from?
I'm from Marrakesh.
Great. You can say both your country and your city.
I'm from Morocco, and I live in Marrakesh.
Notice the difference between I'm from and I live in.
I'm from Morocco tells us where you are from.
I live in Marrakesh tells us where you live now.
Now let's practice.
Say, I'm from.
Add your country.
Now say, I live in.
Add your city.
Excellent.
So, James, where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I do. It's a busy city, but there are many interesting places to visit.
Great. And that's another thing you can talk about when you introduce yourself. Your likes and interests.
Emma, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Good. What do you do is a common way to ask someone about their job or occupation.
You can answer, I'm a teacher.
I'm a student.
I'm an engineer.
Or I work in a school.
If you're a student, you can simply say, I'm a student.
I'm a student and I study computer science.
James, what do you do?
I'm an engineer.
What do you do at work?
I work with computers and technology.
That's a simple way to explain your job.
You don't need to give a long explanation. Just start with a simple sentence.
I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
I'm an engineer.
I work in an office.
Now it's your turn.
Say, I'm a.
Complete the sentence with your job or occupation.
If you're a student, say, I'm a student.
Great job.
Now, let's talk about something you enjoy.
James, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and learning new things.
That's nice. Anything else?
Yes, I also like walking and spending time with my family.
Great. When you talk about your interests, you can use I like.
I like reading.
I like cooking.
I like learning English.
I like watching movies.
You can also say I enjoy.
I enjoy reading.
I enjoy learning languages.
These are useful ways to tell people more about yourself. James, what do you like to do in your free time? I like reading, walking, and learning new things.
Excellent. That's a simple and natural answer.
Now, think about 3 things you like. You can say, I like. What do you like to do?
Great.
Now, let's put everything together.
Listen to this complete introduction carefully.
Hi, my name is Emma. I'm from Morocco, and I live in Marrakesh. I'm a student, and I study computer science. In my free time, I like reading, walking, and learning new things. I'm also learning English because I want to become more confident when I speak.
Very good. That's a complete introduction, but it's still simple and easy to understand.
Let's break it down.
First, my name is Emma.
Second, I'm from Morocco.
Third, I live in Marrakesh.
Fourth, I'm a student.
Fifth, I like reading and learning new things.
And finally, I'm learning English.
Now it's your turn to create your own introduction.
Start with your name.
Then say where you're from.
Tell us where you live.
Tell us what you do.
And finally, tell us something you like. Take a moment and create your introduction in your head. Ready?
Now, say it out loud.
Excellent. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The important thing is to practice. Before we finish, let's quickly review today's most important expressions. What's your name?
My name is... I'm.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from? I'm from... Where do you live? I live in... What do you do? I'm a student. I like.
These simple expressions are enough to start a basic conversation in English.
You don't need complicated English to introduce yourself. Start simple, speak clearly, and practice regularly.
And remember, confidence comes with practice. And that's the end of today's episode of All About English.
We hope you can now introduce yourself more confidently in English.
Try practicing your introduction again tomorrow. Each time you practice, it will become easier.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to All About English, and share it with someone who is learning English.
And tell us in the comments, where are you from? And what do you do?
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode of All About English.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.